Bonafide Hustler here. It's a beautiful day. Gonna do some thrifting, and yeah, let's see what happens. Let's go! What's going on, guys and gals? Chris Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my garage. It's a beautiful day outside. It's kind of like the view that you guys don't ever get to see. But yeah, this is my garage, and it's such a beautiful day outside. So we're gonna do a little bit of thrifting. And I say we, because E-Money. I think I hear E-Money actually. See E-Money. Where's the E-Monies? E-Money!
What's up?
Wanna go thrifting?
Yeah, in 30 minutes.
30 minutes, let's do it.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Bye, E-Money. Before we go thrifting, I have to get a couple things, labeled up for eBay to get out of here. And I also have to make sure to put some tags together for the antique booth, because we're going to be doing a drop over there as well. If you guys don't know what I do, this is what I do in my spare time. I basically, resell part-time, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. You can make a lot of money doing it, and it's just fun, So go check out the free guide, which you can get right here. It's down below. It's the very first link, and it's also the first comment pinned down below. So hopefully you can pick that up, put you on my awesome email list, which hopefully today, maybe tomorrow, the Cheddar report will come out. So make sure you're on that list. I'm going to drop it tomorrow, which if you're watching this, it'll be a Wednesday. And I keep postponing it. It was supposed to drop on Friday, last Friday. It's supposed to drop to yesterday. I will drop it tomorrow, Wednesday, and hopefully you can pick it up. Just be on my email list, get that free guide that puts you on the email list. That's how you get the Cheddar report that comes out tomorrow. While I have your attention as well, I should also mention that I'm going to be in Bentonville, Arkansas real soon. Actually, I think College Picker's going to come up with me, and we're going to go do some mountain biking with some other people. So that's going to be a lot of fun. There is a Bentonville meetup, I want to say November the 2nd, 10 o'clock at Onyx Coffee Shop or Onyx Coffee Lab, whatever. It's in Bentonville, it's in the square. So come meet us. It'll be Eric and I, 10 o'clock in the morning, November the 2nd, in Arkansas. All right, I want to show you something pretty cool real quick before we get to the eBay stuff that I found off next door for $20. Works perfect. My dogs love it. It's Traxxas Slash brushed. Slash in really good condition with a couple upgrades as well. But yeah, this one right here, 20 bucks off of next door with a controller, and didn't come with a battery or a charger, but I have all that. So that's actually sitting on the charger right there. So pretty cool next door pickup. Not as good as that GameCube thing that you saw off that video, but still a really good pickup regardless. And I could resell that thing for about $120, $140 right now in town. But I'm gonna let the dogs tear it to pieces. Then I'll sell it for like $100 or something like that. We'll see. Oh yeah, I never showed you guys this thing. That was a pickup from a garage sale for 150 bucks. Pretty cool, right? I think 86 or maybe 87 Skyway Freestyler. Pretty cool bike. That's just chilling here as well. This video is gonna be a little bit of everything, but comment down below if you like any of those finds so far. Okay, we gotta get the women's Nimbus 9.5 shoes. Been on the shoe wall for over 6 months, so it's time to get them out. And I should be getting, selling them for $50, but I took a $40 offer right there. So that's gonna be shipped off. A mountain biking spring, coil spring, Olean's coil spring, which should be in this bin over here somewhere since it's a spring. So I have my bins kind of organized by like what's in them. And the coil spring might be this. Let me see, no, it's too light to be the coil spring. But yeah, it's gonna be one of these little bags. I'm gonna get it out. Nope. With this thing? Let's see. Oh, yep, there it is. All right, so it's this one right here. Olean's spring black. So that's gonna be sent off as well. That just came with my mountain bike. I got an upgraded spring, so I decided to, instead of just throwing the spring in the trash, sold it for 40 bucks on eBay. I also want to give a shout out to my friend Romer, right here, Romer the Roamer. You can see him on Instagram. Let's see if we can get this guy to focus right here. Come on, stupid camera. I don't know why this camera is being stupid, but here we go. Yeah, Romer the Roamer, big bookseller on Amazon FBA, or aspiring to be giant bookseller on Amazon FBA, but doing all the right steps. And so yeah, there you go. He does some pretty good numbers already. Let's not lie here. But go follow this guy. And thank you, Romer, for blasting me on your live story this morning or last night. But either way, I woke up to like all these people that have subscribed to me. That was pretty cool. Or followed me on Instagram. That was nice. So thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. And truth be told, that's really the beauty of the flipping community, is that I've never met Romer in real life, although he hangs close to the circles that I hang around with, like Rake and Profit and some other people. But it's just the goodness of the community, and people just, giving props to people that are really good at what they do. And he gave me props this morning on his story for me and my garage sale expertise. And so you can go check that out. It's on his story today. was really nice of you, though. I really appreciate it. So, okay, so let's get these labels out. Oh, yeah, by the way, if you watched yesterday's vlog, and stop it right here if you haven't watched yesterday's video that dropped, all right? Because there's something that's on the side of my car, and you have to guess what it is. So guess on that video. But I'm gonna tell you right now, on this video, in about 5 seconds. So stop it right here, watch yesterday's. But the stuff that was on the side of my car was actually coffee that I'd left on the top of my car. And I sped off, and I just sped off, and the coffee just went all over my car. So that's what it was. If you guessed coffee, and not a dope-yo, but actual coffee, then you guessed right. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. But there's some really funny responses in that video, so you should go check it out regardless. Okay, so let's go get these labels printed out. A little printer, and we will be down the street pretty soon. Whoosh, all right, E-Money, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Ooh, red pill or blue pill? I'll take the red pill, E-Money.
Okay.
Ooh, yes. What happened? Nothing happened to me.
That's good luck.
Oh, I want to go in the Matrix, though. Is that what you have?
No, it means that we're gonna get some good stuff.
Okay, okay. Well, let's go then. All right, Iceman.
What?
Iceman. Lake Austin Goodwill. Beautiful day. E-Money. 1 to 10 this day.
I give it a solid 7.5.
Why a 7.5? It's like perfect. What's better than, what?
7.5.
Look at this. E-Money. What? What does an 8 look like then?
A little bit less wind.
You don't like wind?
Yeah.
But that's what makes our hair go.
What makes yours?
That's what makes the hair go. And then the girls go, hey. You know? You know, E-Money? I love messing with E-Money. It's super funny. Alright, going bin shopping. Bennies. There's gotta be something good here. It's kind of wrecked. Damn. Looks like a North Face. Nope. There's some bats, Emerson. Look at this. Just want to buy this one. Man, those are in really good condition. 20 bucks. ATR 4s. This could be a buy. Could be a buy.
Let me see.
Here, you can look at that bat. This Hokas could be good. 20 bucks is kind of steep, but then the ATR 4s could be a pretty good model. It looks pretty decent, right?
I can tell from afar. This is actually probably a really good bat.
I know. All right, I got that bat.
Man, hitting some
All right,
home runs.
I'm hitting some home runs already. Dang, first one, $5 bat. How much do you think? How much will it sell for?
Anywhere from 80 to 120.
What's so good about this bat?
This is composite,
Okay.
but this is also 33-inch with a -3 drop. So this is actually going to be for an adult.
So 33 to the 3. Wait. Hold on.
Okay,
so it's a 3330.
3330.
Okay, so 3330, right?
So the difference is -3 drop.
Does it show right there? Yeah, 3330. Subtract, you get a -3.
Yeah. And then some people will ask about this. BBC OR is a BBC OR.
Looks beautiful. Let me see this thing. Dang, looks awesome. All right then, so that's the first real score. We got these Hokas for 20 out the door. They should sell for around 80 to 100. They are size 15, which is even better because someone that's like, you know, pretty big sized foot doesn't have many options on the used market. So this, 80 to about 100 bucks should be reasonable for these Hoka ATR 4 Challenger shoes. On the other side of this van.
Get him! Get him!
Next Goodwill is here on 9th Street in Lamar. And we're gonna go in and see if we can find any cheddar. Maybe my buddy will be here. No, the manager is cool. Let's see. E-Money, you gonna get that bread?
No.
We need bread to put cheddar on it.
Yeah, money.
That is bread, you ding dong. Ooh, they're in good shape too. Little John Hart, looks like a little bottle holder, wine holder thing. Some of their bigger bags, John Hart design, can be worth some good money. Look at Vans, what? Birks too, another pair of Birks. 10 bucks Birks. Kind of small though, but they are in good shape. Little kitty Birks. Oh, E-Money's gonna be so happy that I found these. Hey, what's up, dude? You all right? Good to see you, man. Yeah. We're just we're hustling in your Goodwill, man. Yeah, we're having some fun. See, we cool like that. Yeah, he's cool. He's cool. He's cool.
42.
10 and a halves.
No, they're not.
10 and a halves.
Those are size 12.
10 and a halves.
Dude, there's no way.
They're for you.
I know.
Yeah, man. We like the checkered style.
If you want to know more on how not to get ripped off, go
What?
to @thebonafide.com.
Oh, jeez, your money, stop. That's a cool Attrax car. I want to see that too. I want to see this thing right here. And then this Attrax remote control car is pretty cool looking. I think this is going to be a home run. I'm getting all these pipes for 20 bucks. And there are a bunch of awesome pipe tools in here and everything to pack it all down. Sick. Can't wait. These are all nice. Some of them look like burl wood. I mean, this is legit stuff. Hey man, did I get a good deal on the pipes?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Reduce the price, so definitely.
Yeah, man, look at those pipes. Cool. Well, till next time, man.
All right, man. Take
All
it
right,
easy.
I'll see you later. Let's go.
Yeah, what is this?
What, that? That's also another pipe tool thing. Here, hold it. Yeah, see,
Oh, it's like the multi-tool.
Like you
Yeah,
pick
yeah.
and like do what you want with the tobacco, I think.
Yeah.
It's everything. That's really cool.
It's like the Leatherman.
There's so many good things in there. This one. Dude, super pipe lot. E-money, we get to smoke now. Let's do tobacco and have like mouth cancers and stuff. E-money, it seems as if we just made some cheddar, E-money. We're gonna have to bring this to the butler and put on eBay, because I'm not putting this crap on eBay, E-money.
It's gonna be a good idea for us to try this right now, Bonafide. Woo! Might have to borrow this.
A bluegrass like meets rich person skit. Okay, E-money. Whatever. We're at the Savers right here. You can barely see it, but I'm pretty sure it's the Halloween headquarters. So we're gonna go in here real quick and see what we can find. By the way, answer this question right now. Who wins on shoes? E-money's green Converse or Bonafide Hustler slip-on Mickey Vans?
I got you those, by the way.
Yeah, you did. Thank you. Who wins? Down below, comment right now. Who wins
Guess
the
what?
shoe game?
I win regardless.
You win regardless?
I do.
How?
Because I got you those.
That doesn't mean you win.
Yeah.
I'm wearing them. You're wearing... Well, we'll see. We'll see who
It's like,
who
hey,
wins.
if I were to wear these, who would win? Because you essentially pointed these out.
Doesn't matter. If you be wearing them, that means you're in contention.
I don't think so.
Hey, money.
Yeah.
Your sideburns are like the Friends episodes in the whole franchise of Friends.
Oh yeah. I'll be there.
No, you know why?
What?
Because they're so long. There's so many episodes.
Good.
You can insert sideburns joke below. I said you can. You can do it. Pretty cool. Tannery Row. That's an old school company from like in the mall. So that's pretty neat. It's a little pricey, but that's pretty nice though. E-money's heading straight for the boots, it looks like. Alright, we're looking for some bags to bucks. What we got here? A little Camelback Outlaw. It's a pretty big Camelback. Let's see what else. No. What'd you get, E-money?
Another game to bundle with the guitars that I just have sitting at home. So now I can sell it.
Cool.
$50 locally with the guitar.
Okay, so $50 locally with the right guitar at that game. You have to bundle it. All right, I passed on that Camelback. I had a couple issues, and I was like, I don't want to get into that. Yeah. I'm not looking for fixers. I'm looking for cheddar, man. All right, E-money, we're doing a booth drop. So we got some boots, a boombox that you gave me,
Ooh.
some vintage T-shirts, a Pearl Snap shirt, some Atari games, and some ostrich boots. Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, I can get it. Here, okay.
Right. Man, look, I'm putting a Voltron shirt.
Oh yeah.
See? Voltron.
That was mine.
Yeah. See, money, I'm super smart.
Dude, watch out. You got some stuff down there.
That's okay. I don't care for brakes. I don't care. Okay. Cool floats. See? To make the boots stand up, E-money. Any price on this? Good. I had no idea. Rick, if you're out there, I got a buckle for you. Yes, the boot wall is coming back to normal slowly.
Oh, it's all done.
Well, guess what? I think the Converse sold. The polka dot Converse, right?
Hey, you had them there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't see them.
They're not here. They sold. Sweet. Cool. Whoosh. All right, so I'm back at the Hustler garage, and one thing you didn't see in the video, we decided not to go to another thrift store, clearly, if I'm here, but one of the things that you didn't see was that I went to a Buffalo Exchange, and some of the stuff that's left over from a garage sale that I had, took it there, didn't get very much for that stuff, it was just leftover stuff. But I noticed this thing in the background, so I bought it for 35 bucks. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna sell it for, or if I'm gonna keep it. I think it has the potential of selling for around 140, 150 bucks. It's made by a company called Will, all right? So Will Leather Goods, these things are not cheap. This is probably a $200 bag on their site, maybe even more. But yeah, I got this like kind of weekender kind of bag, and it's really neat. Inside there's some Will pillows. They always stuff their stuff with like Will pillows. The zipper is nice and heavy duty. There's also a Will kind of bag in here for like toiletries. I mean, that's definitely awesome. You might be thinking like it looks a lot like CC Filson. It's not the quality of CC Filson. This whatever canvas or whatever is a lot thinner, but it is a very good weekender bag. Here's some of the pillows that they include. They just stuffed the bags with it. Got a shoulder strap as well. So this thing was awesome. $35 at Buffalo Exchange. I can't believe it. What a great deal. So I'll see if I can sell it for, you know, if it sells for over 100, then I'm good with selling it. But if it's not that, I mean, if it doesn't sell for over 100, I'm okay keeping it because it's really good. It's nice pebbled leather, as you can see. Pretty sweet bag. And there's the hokas, and there are the pipes. And we'll see what those pipes end up selling for in a future video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you put a comment down. And I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.